Hi, this is Sean with Family Tradition Propane Services. Last week I put a post on with a piece of Wardflex piping that was hit by an excavator. I was very curious to see what happens if this would hold pressure. Let's throw a pressure test on it and see what happens. Alright, I got everything together for a pressure test here. We got our pipe. I'm going to peel the plastic layer off this for the purposes of this video. I got our Wardflex adapters, coupling to attach a pressure test kit, and cap for the other end, a couple of wrenches. Alright, so I'm going to clean up the ends a little bit too on the cuts. This end here is good. I already did that one. This one here, as you can see, a little jagged. Alright, I got both ends cleaned up here. Time to make our connection. Alright, so now we're going to do the other side. We're going to connect the coupling to the Wardflex. Alright, so I got my Wardflex connections complete here. I'm now going to put this back in the vise and we're going to hook up a pressure test kit. Throw a little bit of pipe dope on it. Alright, so I got my pressure test on. I'm not sure if you can see that. It's a little above 20 psi. We're going to give that about 20 minutes. Alright, 20 minutes. Pressure test is still holding. I'm very impressed. That concludes this video on the pressure test of the Wardflex pipe that was crushed by an excavator. So anytime I come across something unique like this, I might post a little video. Thanks for watching. Once again, it's Sean with Family Tradition Propane Services.